Good afternoon, everybody. This is Garrett with GSG Group, the investment group, giving a quick update on the stock market this afternoon. Won't be before you long. Right now, the S&P 500 is currently up about 3 points. Nothing outrageous. The stocks have been moving a little bit sideways when it comes to like stock terms. It's not going up, it's not going down. It's kind of moving in a way where it's evening out to move sideways. So there's no outrageous gain, there's no outrageous loss. Right now, the S&P 500 is barely like in the green. You look at the Dow. The Dow is in negative right now, but not by a lot. Just about 27 to 28 points. And the NASDAQ is up 30 points. Like I said, not a lot. Little bit of news that's being highlighted for this afternoon. Stock trades choppily as investors eye virus cases, jobless claims. So it's basically saying that investors are still looking at if virus cases are going to go up, are they going to be outrageous, or job claims or filing for unemployment still going on daily like it has been for the past couple months. We talked about Hertz yesterday. Stay away from Hertz. Just my opinion. You could mess with them if you want to, but in my opinion, just stay away from them. I'm currently down about 25 bucks for the day, but the contracts that I have, they don't expire till tomorrow, so I'll give an update on my total gain or my total loss on tomorrow. But what I wanted to talk about today before I get up out of here is the earnings report. Earning report. So first let me do this. Today, Thursday, June 18th, Kroger is having their earnings report. And right now, Kroger is down 6% just for the day, and they're trading at $30.84. So they've been fluctuating all day today on the highs and the lows. Just looking at their let me go back to the today. So typically around the earnings report, you'll see a lot of movement. Today it has not been a lot for Kroger. I thought they would have slightly been going up since they have their earnings report today, but they have not been going up. They're actually down 2 points. Let's see where they started out today. It says yesterday, a previous close, they closed at $32.81, and today they opened at $33.54, and you see where they're currently at now. So they roughly lost $2.25, or $2 and just 75, almost $3. So they almost lost $3 going down. After their earnings reading, they normally go down a little bit. So I wonder when they chose to do their earnings reading. Some companies choose to do it in the morning, some like to do it after market. But we just know it is today. Also earnings reading today we have National Grid. They're currently in the positive. Don't know much about this company, but I like to highlight whoever is having their quarterly earnings report being read. And then Wirecard AG. And this is a stock over in Europe. They have their earnings report being read today as well. So that is for today and tomorrow. Let's see who's coming up on tomorrow, Friday. Quarterly earnings report. China Gas Holdings. We got CarMax Incorporated. CarMax is currently trading at $97.90. They're in the positive right now. They opened up at $96.50, so they jumped up $1.40. So they have their quarterly earnings reading on tomorrow. Let's see who else, if there's anyone else. Nope, that's it. For their quarterly reading. One thing I wanted to highlight before I jump up out of here, and that is for if you have not started investing, that is for you to build a team. Build a team, look up a few companies that you have some interest in buying some stock. Doesn't have to be a big company. The stock doesn't have to be humongous. As you can see, I started out buying these stocks. Some are financial stocks, some are energy companies. But just start out. They don't have to be 100 shares. Start out with one. Buy one. And then when you have a little bit to the side, buy another. Come up with a game plan, but build a team like you're putting companies on your team. And then, like I stated yesterday, I got Apple in my site. I'm about to start putting together a game plan just to buy one stock of Apple. And right now, I think they're trading at like 340 bucks, 350 bucks. See, they're up right now, and they're trading at $351. I'm gonna put it together a game plan to buy at least one share of Apple here within the next 2 years. With the game plans that I've been researching, they're going to go well over $1,000 a share. They're going to follow a much rapid pace, but they're going to follow like Toshiba. I wouldn't say follow Amazon. Looking at Toshiba, if you was to look up Toshiba, I don't think I'm spelling it right. But if you was to look up Toshiba stock, you'll see that they're trading well over Toshiba Corporation. So this is a B stock. I know Toshiba has an A stock that they're trading well over $3,000 a share. Let's see where, yeah, it'll surpass it too. But yeah, I'm gonna start building a plan to purchase one Apple stock, and then I'm gonna start formulating a plan to at least buy one share of Microsoft as well. I'm a techie. Microsoft is currently trading at 195, and I think their 52-week high. Both companies have hit their 52-week high just recently, so they surpassed their 52-week high already. Yeah, so they just recently did this. So they hit their 198.52 just recently. Same thing for Apple. After Apple consistently hits their 52-week high. So I'm gonna put together a game plan to buy at least one share of each of these two companies. And I'm currently down $25 for the day. That's 11%. But my contracts don't end until tomorrow. We'll see where we're at tomorrow on any total loss or total gains. So remember, the book of the week is Money Mastered the Game, 7 Simple Steps, Financial Freedom by Tony Robbins. Pick it up, order from the library. There is an app called Hoopla Digital where you can connect your library card to the app, and you can start checking out digital books, audio books, movies, etc. It's a pretty cool app. Actually, when I'm riding in my vehicle, I actually listen to audio books on that app. It's pretty cool. So, but check this book out, and we'll come up with another book for next week. But this is the book of the week. I want you guys to be safe, and remember, slow money is still money. Care for the ones you love and love the ones that you care for. Be safe.